Make I tell you, them or they fight for my own interest, so them or they fight for something to put on their table. Time now, Wislam, but some Musa was sent back. I want to ask you something today. The time that you they come from Europe, where you they go to join 77, say no, you want him to take you to Wale. Now what they call Wale Huana. Oni mi be shiao, ewo kwan. Now what the one trans one waka say Wale is Wale. Meanwhile, me nim send Wale honey a free bar. The person in bia ukwan kin na untie. Also timba program, utimi for playing to about program. But how be do backstage? Put yeah, security. And saying this is Whistler. This is a die-hard fan of Shatter Movement. Until I say man get it close to the Kena. Joint muti make a chow say. Wale in good mood mo. Until you can somebody who know. That be him the entire. Sikana watch no. I'm person we get too close to Wale. Now Wale turun come no be catch Wale. Me person me cancer mon chair one. Until some I'm from Fulu, sir. Ne you omadi. And until me free mama get too close to Wale. Just try and fight hard to meet your king. Your king love you. Upon all the things we come life and do.
If you
what can tell you?
If you love somebody, way you get the person get problem with another body, then you take the person in problem, do your matter. You fool, why you don't go school?
Make I ask you, them all what they do for you right now, and then I'm going to make a catch it all. I don't know how many times I'm in a joint table show out free Europe. I'll catch us up and you just want to talk. You get gift. The gift where you give joint 77. Say make you take give Wale or it didn't in person. If you like today meet me from in person, I go open the house, make you watch. It didn't. You never take show Wale self. Why? Because you don't want Wale to know what you are doing to him. You don't want Wale to know the good work that you are doing for him so that Wale can help you. My guy, be smart. Don't sit on your feet and try and do like and crying our song. Do sorry. Don't dare there. Don't dare there and do things where you like. If you think say the life be character. Where you go, you just say life. You just say coming to life be airport.
I swear, you say you go be somebody.
Do Rimaka. Your mother. Media, you know, say I don't go threat you. You know, say me if I see I go beat you. So I don't want to threat you. But what I want to tell you is that, bro, this one said me. I know say you the joke, so I don't want to talk about that beating matter. You just want to say something.
Yeah.
But say one can be now how I will rap. But me advice will say I'm advising you and at the same time putting it onto you that those you claim they are your judges or they are your big men that will help you to come back to Shatter Movement Empire are putting you on a wrong road. Come and see do road so that I will show you the road.
One road
to the king. Come and see one road. So that the one road will take you go king in there. Because me and you, we know that since you started follow Shatter Movement, how many times you meet Wale on one like this? I remember the time where you come from Europe or something, where Wale said we should come and pick you to his house. We came, the dressing where you do safe, we not take you. Because you know what? The mansion inside will take you go, and you're going to sit close to the pool. So we're not going to take that slippers go close to the pool. Then you go dirty our pool. That's why we not take you go there. Don't do that. No, don't do that. Me, I don't want boy. I don't want go deep because still my brother. I know say you be fooling where you just the fool. So I for just let you know. I just put you for the level because you be Rasta man. You be Rasta man. You be Rasta man. You go feel make fine. Then out under the influence of alcohol, you can come out and be saying things that you don't know. But if really you have watched the video that you made again, then you know your mistake. I know that me. I know you have right now you have regretted doing that video. But it's too fucking late. Because they push you. Not be you alone. We know artists, underground artists, were always at the time and boys are in the ghetto this. Say me, who underground artists will be my disikechi. May God forgive me, like Nima. I know artists, underground artists plenty. We will give them the chance. Some of them bright some future. This sketchy. Phone by hey, this no. Hey, you pay when this no. $100. Ne amount $200. No bet this. What they see we are watching $200. What dare you? Imagine because me friends cry. I'm easy and $100 shit. So ko $300 and that's $200 uncle for. That's one dreaming with future. Say Adiri amiko ye. Ebe keeping how long until myself feel it. Space is now go creative on this video now. My guy, you are a low cheap nigga with no future. Because if you get aim and future, you will not be thinking about someone instead of working for your own future. Wanga say na ujo when you are brace was support shatter movement. I mean you wedding to when you are bring oma and our girlfriends who finito. SMD vedo sen wa date omo. Ah wa jai omo. SMD vedo sen omo nim say who finito. We are close to Wale nti. Mama access for them to also get close to Wale. I will betray you omo. Kwasia omo soon. Omo ba air abesun. And I person my formula air no mo can dey wo aye omo ana. Don't do that. We have mistakes. Me, they sack me 3 times. They sack me 3 times. I know they come live for
because of your mistake.
And they tell anybody you. I feel they sit down and say, you mistake na me. Okay, me adwuma na me you. They say you me did then na me go pay adwuma for the shatter movement na me pay. And I will write application and go and find people to go and beg for me. Say we ni mo bia ko hwehwehwe okolomo ene aba sarikimo na jai jimie no. What's up, my guy? What's up? Why they do that? Why they do that? They diss your master. Why they do that? You diss someone where he help you. Where you yourself, you confess plenty. Check your life. Go back to your life. Somebody name be a Munso Nyansa. Because Nyan Kwalan this video de betchomo. Go back to your life. Nation nema why would your princess at Wally say wayamo. And there was some life because hey, when you she mommy, what you way back? What you way back? I you. No. Utrinwi ni muno Mikesh na se untimi nkwe mo bon ye nyo mama ye ho fi kwasare enta dia ya cheshe ube ye ho fi ye jiwo because you don't even know how to talk. 1 na you say you matured so you matured. 2 if you people think say school be everything one day mbe kan se manya asem ko me kan se mature this am kwata se reba me so I will see you in court because it's defamation of character. You can't come out and saying things about me that you don't know. What the fuck is wrong with you, my talk? Did you own somebody's life? The shatter movement belongs to you. When I bought Wale Bosan or the shatter movement and can you just can you tell?
Charlie, be self, you not gonna reach us. If you want go come on. You not gonna reach us. Whistler, fuck you.
You can't do social media, they talk plenty. And the party goes to semester while they come back. Cause yeah, you know what they do those days. You know what they do. And Rabbi, you know for meeting you, Rabbi will go for meeting. Cause yeah, you consent you.
Wale, se Wale Pamoa. Esi kusuya nyansa ne sambra. Ya pamu biya pen. Ya pamu biya, wa be mistake biya. Ya panisho. That is leader. Leader won't me and control ne dom. Leader. Wakwala ya dia ubeti matrasi dina usuru akola mekano so mufiri mechase be kam nko an. You are not a leader. You can't be a leader. If you are a leader, including your mother, you should know how to rule her. Though she is your mother, if she is in the team that you are ruling, then you have to rule your mother. If you think you can't rule your mother, you find a work for your mother to do outside the team that you are in. But if your mother is part of the team, you have to put your mother aside and focus on the team. Because it's the team that brings you money to take care of your kids. So don't be there and think say, oh, yama nkwala suspension. Okra yama suspension na yama on echi cramp on still. Utimi type ken, o type on the bia. No, what's read that? No amount emoji. Mo wani nji kakrai. Mo wani nji why? Now we artists ana. We artists. We talk about Chris Wade. Chris Wade no kwa pamo no be pa chow. Nenya. You did they talk about Chris Wade, they talk about artists, you did take artists, they compare your artists. Meanwhile, those artists, they beg your artists to make them be an artist. Because they are artists. If you don't know.
Tell them.
If you don't know. Those joint 77 where they beg, he tweet they beg. He is begging to come back. He is begging.
Lucky.
Or begging. Sir. Oh no. I'm not going to come out. And also so damn. Because joint 77. Why no one say I say oh Wale back. Wale ne wo no.
Wale back today.
Wale back today here.
Wale back there for life alive. Come on them.
Into bibia no I will say by the side. Say scampo ni man ko for no no No, you see, Wale, they give you people money. If they say work, and then they do himself like some junkie. Yeah, we go Sahara, so we see junkies. So don't come and do there and be like, you have to see joint. They see as woman being. Joint will be woman being. He did there, he be watching joint way he did there, he be watching where joint, the bad things where you do for the movement inside, it being the follow up today. I swear, I tell you, me I tell you something. You finito. Be me and joint they come meet you always. So be me and joint where they come join, they come from fool you as if Wale send him to you. Be me and joint where they come meet you for that filling station where we did after 69 on Wale's road, you know, close to JJ in Junction, you know. Be me and joint where they come meet you for there. The things where now they tell you where they giving him your money. The clothes where you give him all. You know be Wale. And they tell you he was taking it for his own interest. That selfish guy. If you don't know, I'm telling you, Joint is the most selfish guy in certain movements. Go and tell him. I hope go and show him. Make him watch. That it be me the talk so. If I dey lie. If I dey lie. What's up?
The breakthrough come, my girls.
You see, they do the breakthrough come.
We are the greatest. Done with the fakers.
But great man disgrace them.
Wonder boy.
Counting the papers.
So better know so we are the greatest. Done with the fakers.
You are the faker. We are done with
fakers,
you. We are done with you, faker. Pussy. See you later.
Call me the beginner. Fast you all.
So I come. So now with Levinito let us say no can stage can beat.
No be stage. You no talk. That way you no go fit talk.
We can't beat for stage. You go meet me for street and beat me. You go fight me for street.
Or the Titina rare horse. Or the Titina rare horse.
You go fit speak for street and fuck up. I swear you. I go make 6 feet and duru. I go show you say they bomb me for Ashama. Ashama too like they bomb me. If that place are there, I come at dinner here up to now. I'll tell you.
See who is low.
Can the social media they talk rubbish and I get tattoos anyway. You get tattoo pass you get a tattoo somewhere. Wale you didn't see Wale for here.
See,
the tattoo I get somewhere. Your mother.
Your
mother.
Let me get back to this.
It's not this thing.
Let me put this into your tips car head. If you guys close to Wale, one done, and Shatter Movement think that you are the best people supporting Shatter Movement, you are lost. Wait, go to the ghettos. You will see guys who are killing themselves for Shatter Movement. They never see Wale before. They don't even want to see Wale. Go to the ghettos. Boys, they rent buses when there is show and bring people from their area.
30 fan base, Shatter goes.
I'm coming. They bring them to the shows where police and soldiers, they beat them. They don't even get close to even Secremosis. Talk less of one road. But they never complained before. You will put this social media. Why did they hype one? One don't they hype you. One don't they mention your name. If one don't self come, if you post self, you do so. If you do a post, like you put post something. If you put post something, where Wale come like self or comment under self, they take that comment alone. They fuck 2 girls.
They need hype.
You be post or you get boys for your area where we they take Shatter Movement the chop.
Big toys.
Where you same people or you get girls and big men for your areas. Where they use the name of Shatter Movement, they chop. So if you use the name of, maybe you have used the name of Shatter Movement to chop plenty, like maybe 3 years, where they sack you 1 year. Say make somebody to come take over of your position, make the person to come chop some. Then you come air the talk. What are you trying to say? You Rizla, they give you special treatment. They give you good service for Europe because of Shatter Movement. If they go take our awards, where we not take the money and anything from you unless you come Ghana, then you just come and give us the award. Say, done, this be the award though. Then we give you something. The money when one done they give joint same he can give you before we go take the award. Join the sit for top. Cause if you come to you, then you they make a guy. You know, because of money, I they follow one down. I don't like money. We will like money. We will like money. Oh. Then joint, he take the money, give me some, then we chop. And I tell you today, that last award we can take from you while they give joint money, say you can't give you. But we come see, you know, where you start to do gaga. And me, I don't need Wallace money. You understand me? Even my kids give me this to come. I'm your chase can do it. Be me and joint where we share the money where we chop. Because we need money pass you. If you fool where you don't want to keep money. Like you keep money, like today, you know, come and talk like this. Because Canadian can't cause some sound.
What you get?
Scanning can't cause some flat. The way you are scan, and can't cause a sem, and can how cry. Go and buy Range Rover, go and buy some Benz. If we the go show, right? Fuck SM. For back, customize. If we the go show, you to come and pack your car.
Account money.
Keke, people go watch your car and say, boy, we will come on, fuck SM or the yes. And everyone say you are doing something. Which money you get? Which money? Me say everybody know me say I get money pass you. Me I dey sell pussy you. Everybody know me I dey sell pussy. I get money pass you. Go there you go so brag, so yop. Instead of you to humble yourself, maybe we know say we no get. Maybe they give you some. You join 77. You join 77 where you did there, you dey do these things, or you dey tell finito. Say make it come talk this, make it come talk this, make it come talk that. You yourself, you dey beg. So why won't you tell your guys that Charlie, suspension kakeni want to be I didn't know one yes sir. Now more bad influence. Sebe omo money wale ntembetiti. Now they want patch out. Jadia we no Jadia we no what Jimmy do joint. Jadia we no wa wo kura went man show ba. Wa wo kura went man. Wa wo went me kranje. And so you superstar. Wa wo wanje oba. Also you superstar. Superstar de bia also ma mekoto sadi blow body chuma kodi dokun ofie. Oh yes star. Asia. Don't do that joint. You joint that you shock me. You shock me. We'll cut your kuno. Still you did there they talk plenty. Your dick self no they work. You did there they go do talk that your dick way you take born. That thing where you go do. Now you go fi born again. Tell them that tell them that thing where the girl do you. That girl do you. Tell them. Tell Finito make you go beg the girl mom for you. Because as you and the girl born, you don't take them. The thing where they do you, no tell Finito. Tell Finito. You the beg yourself, you, your girlfriend, if you go buy food for your girlfriend for campus, that Workers College, that your girlfriend you go for school for Workers College there. You the beg before you go give them 20 Ghana. You go make me and you go pick Finito and that in friend. Then you go your girl in there. Then you go dash them. Finito will give them 50 Ghana for you. Hey, you see Finito, wale in 2 IC this, so then they tell and say Finito be wale in 2 IC. So you do that and I just say, watch your boy in this, see, I want to meet Jenny BM, because you're Pamono. You say you're Pamono, who got you on from Mount? You say you're Pamono. No cry, be cry, make us say, you're Pamono. Me, my DC will be out. Make a ton of try. My piece get a copper chow, Quasia. Don't get there and do that in joint. You are the main reason why I came at me by life and joint 77.
On this social media. You talk anyhow. Talk rubbish.
Talk your mind.
Talk your mind. Tell us something.
Talk your mind.
Talk your mind. Talk my mind. I don't finish.
Bad man.
Talk something. Tell us something. Make you feel about it. Baby, now, talk something for
You're bad man. This is Whistler. Me, if you once see you, it be social media thing, no, you take know you. If it's a cup one done, no, you take know you. Yeah, this be SMD road. One road.
number one.
What I say? If the magic, you play the video game yourself.
Yeah.
If they threaten people, say you go beat people for the rooftop. You.
Yeah, they not fierce. And if you
go feel fight. You kill out before.
You fight before.
You fight before. If you see fight, you go feel fight.
They still say they bomb.
If you see fight, Rizla, you go feel fight.
What do you say?
Man, if you get problem with
street again, if
one door, make it be one door. But make you come out of the insult
every year.
If one door get problem, classing boys, the militants.
What you do?
Make that problem no for be your problem. If you understand that thing, yeah. If the king get problem, classing boys, make you focus, classing boys. Make you not take them a matter, take do your matter. Yeah, that's not loyalty, man. What you say?
He is selling loyalty.
I mean, we are sad, yeah. Unye party say unjane no unjane. Back to nani. Careful, yeah. If this thing they go on away, you go come and they talk bullshit and stuff. Charlie man, you mess up, you fuck up. You not gonna do anything. Be lying lazy. Wallahi, you is like you not gonna do anything. I swear. When they talk money, you don't get anything. Hey, you get money. If you see person who get money, you go know. If you see person with get money, you go know. Man, make I tell you something. You see,
I feel the shock. I believe when they talk like this.
Wallah, man.
They give her money, say make it talk.
If I understand one thing, wallah, if I understand one thing, you see certain movement. If you call in, I swear. If them call you before you go come, yeah. So if you are lucky that you got called when you mess up, Charlie, you better till there for you.
The moment you sell out, you sign out.
The moment you sell out, you sign out.
Bullshit.
You understand? It's risky if you don't take risk. What you say? Streets, yeah. We know they really hard for something. But make me tell you something. You see, humans, they talk bullshit for the social media top against Wale. We don't low-key, they watch everybody. Yeah. Wallahi.
We don't go attack you. We don't go attack you. No, if you attack you, you 13 years they talk.
Yeah,
but
you
if
know how you do how. Take off, man. Man verse.
Wise up, you forget wise up.
I swear, man verse.
you wanna walk too ugly.
I mean, they watch my eyes. See how. Tell me what be the color of my eyes. Wallahi. So if Whistler things they go on where you don't know or you don't understand her, man, if you know the truth, talk anything basa like, yeah, you if you see boys for street, you go beat boys then things. While you do this, while you do that. Hey, fuck you, Whistler. You know, fuck you. Whistler, fuck you. Yeah, me I be Nima boy. Yeah, Nima. Do road. This is my Facebook page. Yeah. SM Do road. If you know the talk, fuck you. Whistler, you not go fit do fuck. Wallahi. You. Huh? Me this thing, I know I don't want to talk, but you know, that is there's some place they can't do some movement before. One side. Wallahi, but we want reverse. Reverse. Huh?
That stupid thing they do reverse
You is like you. If they say fight, you go fit fight. Oh, do what shaky. Huh? So wallahi you gonna fight. It's like I swear you gonna fight. Huh? Make no make something take do say you big man. The moment you sell out, you sign out. Yeah, that be the empire. If one don't give some people exile, we then they exile. Make you not take that thing they do life, then they insult one don't things
they
there.
chop your money.
Big man.
Chop your money.
Big man, make I tell you one thing. Wallahi. Wallahi. If you catch you, we gonna beat you. I swear.
Yeah. Or make you come live and give us locations.
Wallahi, we gonna beat you.
Yeah, brother.
Big man.
Brother.
For look sharp, wallahi. Me, I don't want to talk plenty.
Yeah.
I don't do one. Hey, Whistler. Magical, Charlie.
Now they come. Man. Just can't they talk big for social media. I say come Facebook Live. They talk. We get 2 by 4 fans before you post under. Where they comment shit. They always say oh fans, always say oh hype, self nation. I never told me because yeah. One call say I shamu the truth. One call say I shamu the truth. Toilet cause yeah. Who do you know? Who shamu the you toilet? You don't see people. You don't. See, if they respect you, they respect you. If you saw you day, me I respect everybody. All SM fans, I call out a penny. I respect that person. Yeah, because Nipa or Nipa, this is me Nipa. But Nipa fun kasa. What I say? But I want to social media. Now kasa baby. And I deport koto cement. Cause you did the way go to the cement. You see am. You did it. You did it. Then you can carry the machine and go sell it. The machine did it. The swimming pool too did it. Go sell them.
No, the swimming pool in slippers. We don't allow him to come close to the
Go sell them.
Talk less of selling it.
Go sell them. And Arabi.
No.
See, may I tell you something?
No.
Make you not do that foolish thing. Make you not use certain movement. They do foolish thing. Because when I movement to be solid. Man, Jimmy who and you can beat people. Who can be beat for stage? Go fit meet Spaskari for road top there. Tell you go talk say you go beat am.
That's in the
Or go fit meet Drew Road, they talk say you go beat Drew Road. Or something. Or you go talk say you go beat me, they beat me. Or you go send me boys.
That's in the page.
I make ready give you. If I ain't ready, I'm out. Cause who need me? You don't know me well.
Me only fight one person, you bring all your boys. Wait, me, they can't fight you. They can't beat you and go. Don't fool. Fighting me.
Yeah, Shama boy, the boy for Shama. Tulaku boy. Me was so ding. I saw ding. Ba boy. You cool me humble. I say. What do you call us? Ba me so me no be. If you say no, I come. Twitter. I come. Me mama team be say what.
Finito. No long thing. Let's think about
I make you understand something.
If Ono thinks that you're ready to fight, no problem. Give me a location.
Make I tell them something.
We want to meet you tonight, brother.
I want to tell them
I'm
something.
coming, chill. We want to meet you and level with you, brother. If you want to think so, you know, I'm a man, bad man. Just give me a location. Me, I go meet you tonight. See, on talk too much. In the Facebook, I talk cheap, like a little baby, brother. Why not talk so? I fight one fight, link up. You get my number. You get my number. You know, do roady number. So if really you want to fight, call upon me, brother. You go call me and say, nice. I want to see you right now. Ready? If I come, then you beat me. Just like that. Just like that. The thing I want to do, I just want you. Pick a phone and arrange this fight. If you really think you can fight, don't add anybody. Don't add me. Say me, I'm too big for you. Call one road. Yo, one road. Call one road and fight one road. So timbu one road. I swear to my entire life, if you are able to beat do road alone, we go sign out. Then you bring your boys where they can protect the king.
I come.
It's okay. You finish. Post out.
Can they?
Make no do.
I come. That Twitter blocking and stuff, you know. Yeah, now I get 5,000 followers. So I don't know. We'll be hacking my account, you know. And our friend will be the person just unfriend everybody. So don't mean you access to my account.
No, you unfriend them. What's up, man?
You see, I don't know. It's definitely to get my number. You don't call me. You know, message me safe. Just kind of diss me, social media platforms.
You say king level, that's why they say
One make no post to. One.
I'll make it.
You don't know.
You
don't try that thing.